Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Diva. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet a bookmark. This tutorial is a part of a collaboration. I am collaborating with 5 other YouTube crochet creators in this collaboration. I have added all the collaboration links in the description box. So please don't forget to subscribe us all. Thank you. Let's check out what material we will need for this cottage bookmark. I have used DMC size 3 cotton red and white yarn for this tutorial. Also you will need measuring tape, tapestry needle, toe stuffing, stitch marker and a pair of scissors. For size 3 yarn you can use 2.0mm hook. Let's start by making a slip knot with the white yarn. So here I'm making the slip knot. After doing the slip knot with my hook 2.0mm, I'm going to do a chain. So yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. So this is the second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth. As you can see, I have done 6 already. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and the last one 11. So I have done 11 chains. We will start row 1 by making a single crochet into the second chain, but instead of going into the chains we'll go for the bump of these chains which are just behind the chains. This is the bump. So we are going to go insert our hook into the bump of second chains which are behind the second chain. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through these 2 loops. So this is your first single crochet. If you want, you can mark your first stitch with a stitch marker so that you know where you have started your first row. Next we are going to work in the next bump of the next chain. If you are not comfortable with this method, you can use chains to do the stitches. So I'm going to insert my hook into the next chain, bump, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. So this is the second single crochet, then third, fourth. I'm working in the bump of these chains. Next, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and the last one. It's hiding down there, so we are going to do a single crochet in the last one. So altogether I have done 10 single crochet in this. These are my normal single crochet stitches and these are the, it looks like stitches now. These are the chain bumps that I have worked with. Next I'm going to do a chain and turn my project over. Start row 2 by making a single crochet into the first stitch here. So this is my first single crochet. Next I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each of the rest 9 stitches. So this is the second, third, fourth, this is the fifth one, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and the last one that I have marked with the stitch marker. So take off your stitch marker if you are using one and do 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Next we'll do chain 1. This is the chain 1 I'm doing and turn the project over. This is how the project looks like after doing 2 rows. So next we are going to repeat row 2 6 more times until we reach end of row 8. I'll be back after doing all of these rows. Here we are at the end of row 8. I'm going to do the last stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops in your hook. I'm going to add my new yarn here. It's a red yarn. Make a slip knot with the red yarn like this. Now pull up this loop through the other 2 loops. This is how you are going to change the yarn color. Tighten up a white yarn and trim it off here with the help of the scissor. So I'm going to cut it off. After, do chain 1 to end this row and turn your project over. Start row 9 by making 1 single crochet into the base of first stitch. So this is my first single crochet. Then I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch until I reach the last stitch of this row. This is the 5th single crochet and there will be 10 single crochet in this row. After that we'll do 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and turn the project over. We're going to do row 10 now. So first 2 chains doesn't count as a stitch. So we're going to do a half double crochet into the base of this 2 chains. This is my first half double crochet. Then I'm going to do 9 more half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in each stitch. This is the 3rd one, then 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9 and the last one here. So this is the last half double crochet I'm going to do here. I have done altogether 10 half double crochet in this row. We'll finish this row by making a chain and then turn the project over. Start row 11 by making single crochet 2 together. To do it, insert your hook, pull up a loop from the first stitch. Here I'm pulling up a loop. I got 2 loops. Insert your hook in the next stitch and pull up another loop. Yarn over and pull through these 3 loops. So this is how you are going to do single crochet 2 together. Then do 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that we are going to do another single crochet 2 together into the last 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the following stitch and pull up another loop. When you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all of these loops. This is how you are going to do the last single crochet 2 together. In this row I have done 8 stitches. So then chain 1 and turn your project over. Let's start row 12 by making single crochet 2 together. So insert your hook and then pull up a loop from the first stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up another loop. Yarn over and pull through these 3 loops. Next we are going to do 4 single crochet, 1 in each of the next 4 stitches. So this is the last, it's the 4th one. After that we are going to do single crochet 2 together again. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up another loop, yarn over and pull through all of these loops. After that we are going to do chain 1 to fasten off and trim off the radian. I'm cutting it off here. We have done a row 12 in the wrong side of this project, so this is the right side, that's the opposite side of row 12. I have marked it with a stitch marker. To make the cottage you need to make 2 pieces of this. I will show you how I have done the door. Here we are going to use radian and then make a slip knot. I will do 7 chains, yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 chains. Do 1 half double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook here. So yarn over, hook goes into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all of these 3 loops. After that I will do 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. So this is the first double crochet, next 2nd double crochet, 3rd one and the last double crochet. As you can notice that I have done 4 double crochet here. After that I will do a chain 1 and trim off and fasten off the radian here. I will cut off the yarn with the scissor. I'm going to add this door. As you can see I have already added 1 to the other parts, so I will use a needle to add this door to the piece. Use radian and tapestry needle to add this door to the cottage. Now I'm going to add these 2 pieces together by putting one of them wrong side up and the other one would be right side up. So we'll start with white yarn by making a slip knot as always, and I'm going to pull up this slip knot into the first or last row of white where red and white got mixed up. So I will pull up this loop here, then chain 1, next we'll do 1 single crochet in each of these rows. Make sure you are holding both of the rows across. So when we'll reach the corner, we'll do 3 single crochet. So this is the corner. I'm going to do 3 single crochet here. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet and 3. Same like before, across we are going to do 1 single crochet to join these 2 pieces. Make sure your hook is going through both of the pieces at the same time. So I'm doing single crochets across the piece. When we reach the corner, we will do 3, 1, 2 and 3 single crochet in the corner, and likewise we're gonna keep doing 1 single crochet across the side of this cottage. I'm nearly at the end, so I'm going to do 1 single crochet in the last rows, then chain 1 and trim off your yarn here. Now add the toy stuffing in the pouch hole. So I'm going to insert it here as much as you need. You can use finger. It's better to use finger to do this toy stuffings. Though you will not need too much toy stuffing, use as much as you need. Now we are going to close the opening of this cottage. I'm going to use a red yarn to close it. So start by making a slip knot and pull up this slip knot in the red part. So I'm going to pull it up here. Then I will do one single crochet in each of these rows around. Make sure you are working on both of the pieces so that it has a good closing. In this way, I'm going to do one single crochet all the way around. Add white yarn in the bottom of the cottage. Here I have added it in the middle, kind of like 5th stitch, not in this one, this 6th stitch. Then pull up this loop and start making chains. I have made roughly around 60 chains, so you can make chains as much as you want. I would advise you to make chains around at least 70. I will show you the measurement. So I have done 60 chains, and 60 chains comes out as 6 inch, nearly 11 inch. After that we will do single crochet across this lace. So I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain, pull up loop and make a single crochet. In this way we are going to do one single crochet in each chain until I reach the bottom of this cottage, the end of the chain line. I'm at the end of the lace, so here I'm going to do one single crochet into the last chain and one single crochet in the next of 6th stitch, and then I will do chain 1 and trim off the yarn. Decorate your bookmark as you want. I have added some buttons and some bits. Thank you for watching this beautiful cottage bookmark tutorial. I wish you a good time and happy crocheting.